Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oukitel K13 Pro, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So if you've got only the battery indicator and if you'd like to see the percentage inside the battery icon, then all you have to do is to simply enter the settings. Now let's tap on the battery, it should be on the 4th position, and here at the very bottom you've got the battery percentage option, which is in my case of course turned on because we can see the percentage, but in your case probably turned off, so we've got only the battery indicator, and basically all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher. So actually this is it. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your Oukitel K13 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.